Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, and today Google released Android 14 QPR2 Beta 1. We were expecting QPR1 Beta 3, but it seems like Google has a different plan. And I have it installed on my Pixel 7 Pro because the OTA images are not yet available for the Pixel 8 models. But in today's video, I'm going to show you what's new, and if I found anything specific to the Pixel 8 models, I will create a follow-up video. But for now, let's take a look at the new features. Let's start with the build number. It's AP11.231.020.013.A1. The new features in this build are kinda random across multiple areas, and the first one is in the lock screen. So if you have multiple notifications like I do and then use Face Unlock to reveal your notifications, you'll notice here that they animate nicely instead of popping on the screen like before. And for reference, here is my 8 Pro running the previous version. And as you see, when I unlock it using my face, everything pops immediately, but now they animate to give you this nicer look. The second change, when you tap on the mic icon on your home screen, it takes you right away to a voice search inside Google app with the search a song option at the bottom, and instead of opening Google Assistant like before. And for you to access Google Assistant now, you can either use the power button or the magic word. And when you dismiss Google Assistant, you will also get a new animation. So take a look here on my 8 Pro. When I dismiss it, it goes to the bottom, but now it goes to the side. Google also updated the volume slider look, and as you see here, instead of using the thin line like before, now it has a background color. The home screen overlay menu is now smaller in QPR2 Beta 1, and when you go inside the Wallpaper and the Style app, you will see a better animation when you navigate between pages. So if you take a look here on the 8 Pro, everything pops immediately, while in QPR2 Beta 1, it animates in a slower pace. And also you have the ability to choose between 5 different wallpaper colors from the front page instead of only 4, and the choices are slightly smaller. Now let me show you the most exciting feature in this build, which is the single app screen recording. When you tap on the screen record tile, now you have a drop-down menu to choose between single app or the entire screen. So when you choose single app and hit start recording, it will first show you all the apps in your recent apps screen and then the full list of apps. So let's say I want to record Google Play Store, and I'm gonna tap on the install button. Let's say I got a notification, or I want to check my notifications shade, do something in my quick settings area. Maybe I want to do something also in a different app like Google Chrome, for example. You'll notice here when I stop the recording and take a look at the video, none of the things I did is recorded. It's only recording Google Play Store, which is a really nice feature. It will save you tons of time, and you no longer need to worry about revealing any sensitive information or editing your screen recording before sharing, because it will stick to this app all the time. Not only this, but the same thing applies to the screen cast. Let's say you want to cast your mobile screen to your Google TV. Now you have the ability to choose between a single app or the entire screen. And when I choose single app, it will show me the same overlay menu. Let's say I want to cast my settings. When I navigate to my home screen, nothing changes. It will stick to my settings app, which is another welcomed addition. Meja Rahman also shared some hidden features on X, and the first one, if an app is using your microphone or camera and then you tap on the indicator, you will get this new overlay card with a chip that you can expand, and it will give you the option to close the app or manage access, which will take you to the app permissions page. And you also have the option to check the recent access by tapping on this button on the left, and this one will take you to the privacy dashboard. And when you go to the app info page and scroll all the way down, now you can see the package name under the version number. He also mentioned that after updating the phone, you might see this screen saying your Pixel is up to date, but unfortunately, I didn't get this one. And if you are using a tablet, you will see a new icon for the app drawer, and also there is a new search bar in the task manager. He also found a hidden page under developer options called the quarantined apps. And when you go inside, you have the ability to quarantine any of the apps by turning on the switch. And when I try the feature and then go to the app drawer, you see that Asphalt 9 is now grayed out. And when I tap on it, it says Asphalt 9 isn't available right now. This is managed by settings, and you have the option to unquarantine. And when I do this, it launches the app immediately, which works exactly the same as the pause app feature. but I'm not sure if it does something different under the hood. He also found a hidden flag in the Pixel launcher that will allow you to remove the at-a-glance widget from your home screen using this toggle, but unfortunately this feature is not yet available and he had to activate this flag manually. Google is also preparing to add support for the remote authenticator unlock, which will allow you to use your Pixel Watch to unlock your phone. And lastly, the Bluetooth tile under the quick settings is expected to get the same pop-up card we get with the internet tile to quickly switch between devices, which is something I'm really waiting for a long time. So these are all the new features you would expect in QPR2 Beta 1, but there are some bug fixes as well. The first one is fixed an issue that caused the package manager to crash when installing some apps, fixed an issue that sometimes prevented users from submitting feedback using the Android Beta Feedback app, and lastly, fixed an issue that sometimes prevented a device from connecting to a 5G network when it was available. So that's pretty much it for today. Those are all the new features in Android 14 QPR2 Beta 1. Please let me know in the comments if I missed anything. But for now, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.